Hello everybody, today we make salmon oreganato. We need breadcrumb, you need parsley, because the parsley give a beautiful color. I got oregano, the garlic, half teaspoon of salt, that's enough, black pepper, and we need oil. Okay, now, so I need more oil, I can use more oil. I got a lemon zest. Lemon, it smells so good already. Okay, now we gotta season the salmon, salt and black pepper. And we put a little salt right over here on the top like this. A black pepper. All right. And now it's time to mix the oreganato. And make sure the mix is really good. Like I said, so you need more oil, you gotta use more oil. You see, I mix, but it's a little dry. And what I do, I put a little more drop of the oil on the top, inside. Okay, now it's enough. And we give a good mix now. It smells so good already with this garlic, parsley, the lemon. It so smell good, really good. Okay, now this is the oregano, it's all mixed, and now we gotta put it right on the top of the fish, the salmon. And we put like this, nice. Like I say, you gotta use your hands. Okay, this, it's like that. You can use something different, you gotta pack really good on salmon. Okay, now I want to wash my hands. Okay, now we gotta put it right on this dish. But see, you don't gotta know this kind of a dish, it's okay. You can put on the pots, everything you can use. But I want to put a little drop oil, each one, I put the fish and one steak. Okay, and now it's a time we put the fish inside. I do like this. Okay, and we put it right over here, each one, and look how beautiful it look. And this, it's the last one. Okay, before I put it in the oven, I put this pots over here, I put a little water. It's enough. And now you gotta go in the oven. It's a 400 degrees. And this you gotta cook for 15 minutes. Okay. Now, when the bread that's a nice, beautiful color, once in a while you gotta check. So the color of the bread that's beautiful, you like the color. Got the fish, you don't gotta cook too much. Got the fish, if you cook too much, it come too dry, and not taste good. The fish, you gotta be nice, soft inside, nice, juicy. Okay, now we gotta wait. And I hope this come out good. And I want everybody to make this. Okay, now it's 15 minutes, and let's see what it look like. Oh, I see, it got a beautiful color. It's what I say, you gotta check so the color on the top is beautiful. And look at this. Got a nice color, the oreganato on the top. And this is 15 minutes now. Okay, it look beautiful. It smells so good. Okay, now it's a time of the taste. Oh, look how beautiful it look. Really good and juicy. Look this. It's really good. Make this with a nice glass of wine. Chin chin. Salute. And we see next time.